Good morning from Bangkok, Thailand. It's my second time here. I was here 2 years ago when we worked on engaging in dialogue training, and now working today and yesterday with local sales managers on how to master the conversation in terms of using trigger events, have a compelling reason to reach out. And there are some cultural differences because I had the same training recently in US. Of course, it's a different culture, different mentality, but still some things transcend the cultural differences. And of course, salespeople can be successful no matter where they are if they know what they're doing. Using trigger events, it's a one good tool that can help salespeople in general and sales team have much more compelling reasons to reach out to clients and have a better communication, which ultimately leads to a relationship of trust. But also, we work today on using certain language patterns, buying patterns, like for example, motivation direction, understanding this, which is good because in any language you have people who talk about what they would like to gain, the benefits of doing something, or people who are very away from. And there are different sets of questions that we should ask, very difficult questions, especially one that challenge clients in situation of when you ask them, if you don't do something, how the situation would look like next year. So I'll get back to you on that. And I'm really excited to go with second day here because energy yesterday was really good and people were very, very involved and engaged and with lots of local examples. Thank you for watching. This is Alen Meyer.